What's poppin', Ninja Gang? It's your boy, the Blurred Rider, and I know, no helmet, no gear on, I got a seatbelt on. Yeah, I'm in the car today. I'm in Suki's older sister, Songo, my 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer, and we are on the way to go and get some cleaning materials because it's time to clean Suki's chain, so let's go and get it. Alright, Ninja Gang, let's start off by propping the bike up. I have my rear stand here. Alright, gloves on. Get your chain clean, spin the tire, and spray. Now we're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes while it penetrates all that old oil and gunk and dirt. And after 5 minutes, we're going to get our brush and start scrubbing that off. Last step, we're going to get our chain lube. Wipe down any excess mess that you may have on your tires, on your sprockets, on the chain. Then you're all good to go. Easy peasy. You've just cleaned your chain.